Mediterranean stuffed chicken breast. Four boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 1 cup spinach, chopped. 1/2 cup sun-dried tomatoes, chopped. 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 cloves garlic, minced. Salt and pepper to taste. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and grease a baking dish. In a bowl, mix chopped spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, feta cheese, olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. Cut a pocket into each chicken breast and stuff with the spinach mixture. Place the stuffed chicken breasts in the baking dish and bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Enjoy the culinary journey to better prostate health.